Welcome back to another video with Kids Art Lab. And if this is your first time joining us, please consider liking the video and subscribing to the channel. What are we making today?
A candy blossom tree.
A what?
A candy blossom tree.
What's that from?
It's from Roblox Grow A Garden.
Oh, so this is a Roblox game.
Uh-huh.
Okay. Well, we're going to be using our acrylic markers today, but you do not have to use these. You can use whatever you have laying around the house or the classroom. Let's get started.
Yes.
All right. So first off, let's make the actual candy blossoms. So we're going to start right here, actually. One. Now there are going to be a lot of rectangles and squares in this drawing. And once we get them on our paper and color them, it'll make a lot more sense. But for right now, just stick with us on some of these rectangles that we're making, okay? So we'll do another one right here. Good. Okay, and then it's got like the stem. All right, and let's maybe do another one right here. So are these like a fruit?
Yeah.
They're a fruit?
They're kind of.
Okay.
They're one of the rarest things in the game.
Oh, well, that's pretty cool that we're drawing it. Okay, and then it's just another rectangle, but it's a little bit bigger. Good, and then the stem. Okay, let's do a couple more. So maybe we've got one that's up here. Nice. Another big rectangle.
And then the stem.
And then the stem. Okay. And how about we do one, what do you think? One more maybe?
Sure.
Okay, let's do one more. I'm gonna put it like kind of like right here, I think. Here. Good. And then here. Okay. And then the stem. Okay, now let's actually start to make the tree. So we're gonna basically make two like main parts of the tree on the right and left, and then the stem's gonna come down here. So just kind of keep that in mind for your drawing, that we're gonna use most of our paper today. Okay, so first off, we're gonna do another big square, but you wanna make sure you go behind the actual candy blossom. Now everybody's is gonna look a little different here depending on where you've drawn your stuff, okay?
And if you have candy blossom tree yourself, comment down below, I have candy blossom.
Okay. Okay, then we're gonna do another one here. This. Good, and then that. Okay, and then let's do maybe like a little one right here. And then another one here. Good. Okay, and then I'm going to do a little one right here. Lots of squares and rectangles, like we said. So again, it'll make a lot of sense once we color this. Okay, let's leave that one for now, and let's work on this one. So this one is going to be kind of the same thing. We're going to have a square. And we're going to go behind it, this, and then you kind of have to imagine where it might come out on the other side. That's fine. Okay, and then let's just complete it. Okay, and again, we're going to do another one here. Okay, and then let's do another one here. Good. Okay, and then finally, let's get this one down here involved. And again, I'm going to make it so it's kind of like hanging off the tree. So I have to kind of imagine where I'm coming out. Back up. Good. And I'm actually going to finish that right there. Okay, and then let's see, there would be one right here to make it look like it's a square. Okay, good. And I'm going to put one here. This one's going to come out here. This. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to make the trunk. And once again, it's going to be rectangles, but these are all going to be on the longer side. Okay, we're just going to keep working our way towards the middle here. Okay, and then we're going to do kind of a big one. And then this will be like the last one down here, at least on mine. Everybody's is going to be different. Okay, good. And then same one here. We're gonna basically bring this one down to right here. So you're just gonna keep making like kind of a step pattern. This. Good. And then just keep working your way over to the very last one where it joins up with each other. Well, I think it's time to fast forward and bring our candy blossom tree to life.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, we are back from fast forwarding, and I think the candy blossom trees turned out great.
Yes, this was a very interesting one.
So what we did, he added pixels on it. I started to add mine, but then I thought, nah, let's not do it for me.
Okay.
So I just didn't do it.
Yeah, everybody's is gonna look a little different, right?
We drew this for one of my buddies we play this game together. So, and he has one of these.
Oh.
So I was thinking I could give this to him today. So it would be a good thing for someone.
Yeah, for sure. Well, what else do we have to do?
Sign our picture.
Well, we want to thank you for joining us for another creation with Kids Art Lab.
I hope you had fun drawing your candy blossom tree. We hope to see you next time. Bye.
Bye for now.